Hello everyone, how to install the printer. First, take out the printer and data cable. Open the side cover and slide the internal latch to position it. Insert the paper with the print side facing down. Use both hands to press the latch firmly in place, then align and close the top cover. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds, and the machine will automatically position the paper to the tear-off section. Go to the App Store, search for the OpenLabel app, click Download. Then click Open. Click Allow for necessary permissions. In the My section, enter SIN mark in the Service Provider field, and click Confirm. Return to the main screen, click the printer icon. Allow the app to search. And select the printer name starting with SK20. Click Print Test, and the printer will feed the paper normally, indicating a successful connection. Back on the main screen, click Create, enter a name and paper size. Click Text. Then click Barcode. Afterward, click Print. You can adjust the printer's density and speed at the bottom. Click Print. And the printer will feed the paper to complete the test. Users can edit the template based on their actual needs.